I mean, can we say we can't say that? Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, we're going to blow this motherfucker up, and we can't open the hood right now because the hood latch is broken. So Tony's going to go ahead and cut a hole in the corner of the hood here. It's custom.
There's a fortune cookie under the hood here.
What's it say? What's it say?
Opportunities surround you if you know where to look.
Yes.
I think Tony's got an opportunity to get this done.
Much later. More moments later.
I told you there was one there.
So the whole time there was a release.
I told him.
Right here.
I said there's a release in the front bumper.
All right.
No, we're gonna cut it. We're fucking men.
That didn't work. Tune it. We're gonna drill a hole in the intake pipe right here because they put this arrow here so we could drill a hole to put nitrous in it. So we're gonna do that right there. And Tony is over there setting up the nitrous cart.
So they were anticipating this upgrade from the factory.
Yeah. That's why they put this arrow here so you could drill the hole for nitrous, and then it's pointing that way. Nitrous that way. Nitrous that way. This is pretty good. Are we gonna do a baseline?
Yeah.
So we'll do a
We'll
baseline.
run out the trailer. We'll put this on like a receiver and run out the trailer.
So if you want to put nitrous on your car, we have the cart. All you got to do is fill the bottle. You can come borrow this, throw it in the bed of your truck, put the Milwaukee battery on it because it probably lasts longer because DeWalt sucks. Yeah, and then you can come and you can put nitrous on your car, and all you have to do is make a hole in your pipe where the arrow is, and then push the button. Where's the button at?
So what does it cost to rent this?
It's gonna spray if it's coming on.
Oh, that's free. It's $35 if you want to rent it, but you got to fill your own bottle per day.
If you want to use it on the dyno, it's $10, but we have to film it.
And
We have to film it. That's the only way it works.
You guys charge for that kind of fun.
Do $10 and you can see how much power your car makes with a
I'll
50
watch
shot.
any asshole blow their shit up with that car for free.
yeah, let's put a bigger jet in it. Hey, any of your friends that see your Snapchat though, you can't. They can't win.
Let's just do this for fun and do something else for actual horsepower credit.
But that's cold. It's cold. For real, that shit ran primo. Yeah. Damn.
We should put the sniffer in to see if it's running lean.
21 in there.
When I was at 35,
That is not super small.
picked up 60 horses.
What,
70 horses.
what was that about it being a 20 shot instead because of the...
Every time I've ever ran E98 with nitrous, it doesn't burn very good.
Yeah, we kind of had that problem last time. Are you going to a 50?
Trying, if I can find it.
What are you looking for? What number?
I cannot believe how smooth that just ran.
Yeah.
Like it, dude, it
Yeah,
pulled,
I know,
it pulled perfect. These things run way better on nitrous. If anyone has a 2004 Sonata, they should highly look into getting a
I
nitrous.
posted this video, and the dude's like, "Hey, bro, you guys work on BMWs?" What the fuck?
Yeah, we do.
I posted the video of this guy cutting the hood up, and he's like, "You guys work on BMWs?" Like, must not like his BMWs. That's wild. So what kind of shot we gonna do?
Huh? Y'all work on BMWs?
What are we going up to next? 100?
42, I got it.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fucking cleared the fucking misfire right out of it. What? Torque, boy!
310 and 339.
40? Holy shit.
It's like 200. Brief it.
It sounded so bad. What you guys say, it sounded like the fucking rod would fly out of me. I swear all I heard was rod knock.
I don't even know what the air fuel was.
All right.
13.
Yes.
Nitrous is hard because it fucking hits so fast that like, those who can't catch it, especially this slow.
Unstrap it, put it in the trunk. How do you do it? Rip it down
Oh,
the
dude, absolutely. You know how many people use wax in
That's
this
what I
thing?
put the hood like this for. That's what the hood like this now.
Could you
Dude,
imagine?
412 torque, this bitch probably running 12, dude.
Do you imagine beating a Corvette or some shit in a fucking Hyundai Sonata?
You go to bed with the hood like
With
this.
no mirror?
I gotta say,
1260.
I'm pretty impressed with like double the power.
You're rolling down the staging lanes with your fucking helmet and fire jacket on.
So here's the thing. Are we done?
No,
Because I feel like we got one more jet we can put in
I
here.
think so too.
Yeah, we're gonna turn it up for sure.
Should we do the giant nitrous jet or put it in the fuel?
Which one's gonna make more power?
What?
What?
Put the 68 in the fuel and that hollowed out one in the nitrous.
All right. Deal.
It's off the scale lean when you first hit it.
Well, I don't think it really is. I think the O2's that slow.
Barely got a miss.
Alright, put the 68 in the fuel and this big old hollowed guy out. Let's see if they can get this on film. Let me see.
The rate of acceleration.
Where's...
Alright, so this, just for reference here.
Hold on, let me block the focus in. Okay.
So for reference, this is a 57. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, that's a 57, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
This is what that used to be.
we're gonna go, yeah, we drilled it out from that.
So this is what it used to be, and then we drilled it out to that.
So this is gonna be the new nitrous jet. We don't know what it is, but
Let's run it. All right, so we got like a 64 jet in the fuel and like a 120 shot in the nitrous. So we're either gonna blow this motherfucker up or it's gonna make some power. This is for all the marbles.
All the marbles.
You guys got a fresh battery for the...
Fresh batteries in the kit.
I tightened these over here because I was tightening them over there, but when I was putting it in, it was like trying to rotate on its own. So then it was doing like this, you know, not spraying the nitrous straight into the throttle body. So when I tighten them right here, I can kind of control where it's spraying. Shout out to Nipex for these badass pliers. Sponsor video.
now meet the mad scientist. We have to rip apart the block and replace the piston rings we're about to fry.
fucking toast.
Great way to start it though, man.
Give it a roll.
That's it, bud. It tried.
It went from all the cylinders to none.
I think I can hear the rod.
Bro, it didn't even like hurt one piston. It hurt all of it.
Just all quids working at once.
Well, how much power did it made 370.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah! Fucking called that shit.
Bro, 443 torque.
Let it cool down.
Let it cool down.
It's mad.
Next.
God damn. I can't believe it lasted that long.
Bro, it laid over fucking hard on that one. I wasn't letting out, but it didn't give me a choice.
Maybe we should have went with the bigger fuel jet.
No, I think the power is what killed it.
It's at least
That instantaneous.
there's another 100 in it. What are you
Look at
talking
the,
about?
Here's the
Look
thing.
at the green graph, dude.
Oh, it was rich.
Here's the thing.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it was.
I'd be willing to bet that's the highest horsepower Hyundai
When?
Sonata ever.
12, 11, 10, 0.
Oh.
Yeah,
See, so the fuel pressure made a massive difference.
it did. It did make a difference. But right on the hit, it was pretty lean, like 19.
It could have just melted the freaking straps on the spark
Yeah, I
plug.
could have just melted the plug. Nah, that sounds like no.
There's no compression. It all came out the
Now we for
exhaust.
sure have no rings.
Yeah, it ain't got no compression.
It smoked out the back.
Oh, dude,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
bad smoke.
Take the oil cap off and turn it over.
I don't know.
It's like,
It's smoking a little bit, not too bad though. I don't know.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna have to LS swap it.
Blood, pull your Civic in here.
If I wasn't driving it home, I'd be down.
Damn, bro.
so smoky.
So we picked up 200 horse and 300 foot-pounds of torque.
Dude, torque is crazy.
200 horsepower, man.
I think the 362 is perfect for it. On the streets.
Dude, it was going to the moon on the green one. It wasn't stopping until it did. Oh my god. Oh, that's a good time.
And we gotta push it out. That was a badass time. We didn't think it was gonna really last that long, but it did. It was a great candidate. And next time, we'll open the hood with this. Thanks for watching.